Let's do my makeup while I will overshare about myself. So Pole is not my real name. Polome is. And when I was kid, I used to think that Polome is the most unique name ever. I still love it though. I still love it. I did my entire schooling in an all-girls school and I never had a fight with anybody. Like real fight anybody. আমি কারোর সাথে কোনোদিন ঝগড়াও করিনি যে খুব বেশি ঝগড়া আর সত্যি সত্যি ঝগড়া যেগুলো হয় ছোটখাটো যখন সবাই করে বাট সত্যি সত্যি যে ঝগড়া হয় না যে মারপিট চলে আসে never. Never in my life. And I never have any stitches or broken any bones. Touch wood. And the main thing, college was never really my vibe, or else I have that bestie moment or real friends group moment ever. But I am still grateful because I have learned a lot of lesson from that stage of my life. So thank God I have been in that college. Like I'm really grateful. And the only person I hang out with is him. And he's been out of Kolkata for last 2 years and we barely meet. So I barely go out anymore. And that is the only sole reason I don't have any pretty pictures these days. নেই আমার কাছে কোনো ফটো আমি কি করব আমি তো বেরোই না আমি তো ঘর থেকেই বেরোচ্ছি না তো আসবে কিভাবে and yeah that's a few fact about me and I have a lot more to yap with you all and see you in my next one until then go and stay